Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Understanding the law of demand is simple if you focus on the price and quantity relationship. Let's solve this problem together right now.
The law of demand specifically states that as the price of a good increases, the quantity demanded for that good decreases. This means they always move in opposite directions every time.
Option A might look tempting, but it incorrectly uses the word demand instead of quantity demanded. In economics, these two terms represent very different concepts that you must never mix up.
Options B, D, and E are wrong because they describe direct relationships. Therefore, the inverse relationship in option C is our perfect answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.